So in this video, we're just going to show you the effects with tempered glass with security window film with and without an attachment system. Now we've used a down 995 only on half of this window. The bottom half has no down 995 and the top half does. And again, this is just so we can show the effects with and without the down 995, so then you can best sell it to your customers. Now with the test, I'm going to be using this metal pole here. Now it's said that most break-ins around homes or businesses are done with items that are around the actual property. So again, we went with a metal pole like this, and this is what we're going to use to strike the glass. And I'm going to strike it in various different places, and then we're going to have a look at the attachment system around the edge to see how it's holding in compared to it without the attachment system. And there, so that test shows what security window film can do without even factoring in an attachment system. It holds the glass together really well. So there are still some amazing benefits with adding security window film to tempered glass, as you've just seen there, because it makes it very hard to break in the first place. Remember, the attachment system is only holding it to the glass after it's broken. So now we're going to have a go at that again, but we're going to be using a baseball bat instead of this pipe. And there, so you can now see the window is really benefiting from just the security film, but now we're going to work around the edges, and this is going to be where we can see how well the attachment system is going to do. So again, now we're going to focus on the bottom half without the attachment system, and this is where it really starts to factor in. So as you can see, especially if this was at the top, you can start to really break around the edges and push this window film through. But now we're going to see what happens around the top half where we have the attachment system as well. And there, so you can now see the benefits, how hard that is to try and get through the glass with the attachment system holding the window film in place. At the bottom, we can start working around the edges and simply push it through, but at the top, it's a whole different game. So that's it from this tutorial on showing you the effects of breaking tempered glass with and without the attachment system.